explore the beauty and power of poetry, where words become music and emotions come alive. Poetry is the art of using language to express emotions, ideas, and experiences in a concentrated and powerful way. Poetry is different from regular writing in several unique ways. Poetry uses rhythm, rhyme, and meter to create a musical quality that makes words flow beautifully. Poets use vivid imagery and figurative language, like metaphors and similes, to paint pictures with words. Poetry concentrates deep meaning into fewer words, making every word count. The three main elements of poetry are rhythm and sound, vivid imagery, and emotional depth. Poets use various literary devices to create powerful effects. A metaphor directly compares two unlike things by saying one is the other. For example, Emily Dickinson wrote that hope is a bird with feathers, comparing hope to a bird. A simile compares two things using the words like or as. For example, her smile was bright, as the sun uses as to create a comparison. Alliteration repeats the same sound at the beginning of words, like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. There are many different forms and styles of poetry, each with unique characteristics. Haiku is a Japanese form with 3 lines following a 5-7, 5-syllable pattern. Here's a famous haiku by Basho. Notice how it creates a complete scene in just 3 short lines. Sonnets have 14 lines and follow specific rhyme schemes, often exploring themes of love. Free verse poetry has no fixed pattern or rhyme, giving poets complete creative freedom. Limericks are 5-line humorous poems with an AABBA rhyme scheme. Imagery is one of poetry's most powerful tools for engaging the senses. Good poetry engages all 5 senses: sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste, creating a complete sensory experience. The phrase velvet night engages both sight and touch, making the abstract idea of night feel tangible. Thunder rumbled like distant drums, creates both auditory imagery and a powerful comparison. The musical quality of poetry comes from its rhythm and sound patterns. Rhythm in poetry comes from the pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables, creating a beat like music. Iambic pentameter, used by Shakespeare, has 5 pairs of unstressed, then stressed syllables per line. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day follows this rhythm perfectly, creating a smooth, natural flow. Poetry continues to matter in our modern world for many important reasons. Poetry gives us language to express complex emotions that regular prose cannot capture. Poems preserve cultural history and traditions, passing stories and values across generations. Writing and reading poetry develops creativity, critical thinking, and deeper understanding of language. Poetry creates universal connections, helping us understand shared human experiences across time and cultures. Let's recap what makes poetry such a powerful art form. Poetry combines rhythm, vivid imagery, and deep emotion to create powerful expressions of human experience. Poets use literary devices like metaphor, simile, and alliteration to create multiple layers of meaning. Poetry comes in many forms, from structured haiku to flowing free verse, each with unique strengths. Great poetry engages all our senses and emotions, creating experiences that stay with us long after reading. Ultimately, poetry connects us to our shared humanity, helping us understand ourselves and others more deeply.